If you haven't had much experience with all the things insurance, you might have wondered at least once or twice if it was even possible to take out the same insurance with two different insurers. What would happen if you could and did? Is it even legal? By the time you are done watching this video, you will have the right answer to this question and lots more. Hi, my name is Stella, and I'm your host for this channel, the Fincrew video series. Before we begin, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification, and once you are done that, we shall begin. Let's get to it. To answer the burning question first, yes, you can. In fact, take out multiple insurance policies from different insurance companies. However, you need to first understand that these are very dicey water you are wading into, and the act and process of taking out two or more coverage policy with multiple issues isn't as simple or as straightforward as one would like. Here is some context, so you better understand how this works. Basically, your ability to take out multiple insurance policy is most dependent on what you are insuring, the particular type of cover policy you are looking to take out, and most importantly, the specific circumstances of the different policy you are choosing to take out. Keep in mind that overall, the more insurance policy you take out, the more premium you are expected to pay. Therefore, from a financial point of view, this isn't a very cost-effective. Why then do people ever take out multiple policies? Well, certain circumstances may actually compel you to willingly take on added insurance from multiple insurance companies. Consider this. Say, for instance, that you've been taking out insurance for a while with one particular insurance agency. Maybe over the years, you will even manage to build up a very solid no-claim discount you don't want to lose. Now, imagine that owing to one reason or the other, your insurer removed coverage for a feature you feel is very essential to your overall driving experience and satisfactions. Rather than simply terminate that policy and potentially lose out of the benefit it offers, you have the option of looking for an insurer that provides the specific feature you are looking for and take out the same policy with them too. However, so you don't end up accused of trying to commit insurance fraud, you must make both parties aware of each other. Multiple insurance doesn't equal to multiple payout. It is actually typical to assume that the more insurance policy you have active, the more payout you can expect. In reality, you only have that luxury with life insurance policy. So while you can file as many claims as you would like with your multiple insurer, you aren't going to be receiving a full payout from all of them if you are receiving a payout at all. How it works is that once you will file your claims with the appropriate quarters, the insurer will communicate with one another and work out who pay what, depending on the specifications of the coverage in question. The outcome is that one insurer might offer the full payout while the other pay nothing at all. Either that, or they each pay a certain percentage of the total amount together or at separate times. This system was put in place to ensure that insurance remains a means of compensation, not a source of making a profit. So, that's all there's to know about taking out and filing multiple policy and claims. Do you think it's worth having? Let's know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so now and turn on the notification. That way, you'll be the first in the know. See you in the next video.